Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hardwire Dashcam Kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle, offering constant recording capabilities and peace of mind, ensuring that your dashcam is always powered and ready to capture crucial footage, safeguarding you against potential disputes and providing irreplaceable evidence in unforeseen circumstances, ultimately enhancing your driving experience and providing a sense of security on the road. Number 5. ROVE Ultimate Dashcam Hardwire Kit. This hardwire kit lets you monitor your car around the clock. It provides constant power to your dash cam while parked, giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to messy USB chargers. This kit connects directly to your car's fuse box for a neat and professional look. It comes with all the necessary components for a simple installation. No need to hunt for extra parts. We've included a detailed manual and helpful videos to guide you through the installation process step by step. It's designed for use with ROVE R2-4K, R2-4K Pro, R2-4K Dual, and R3 dashcams. Please check for compatibility before purchasing. This kit may not be compatible with certain vehicles due to their unique fuse box designs. Please check the list of incompatible vehicles before ordering. We're a USA-based company dedicated to customer satisfaction. Enjoy a 1-year warranty and easy access to our support team. What we like. It boasts a convenient USB-C port and offers 24/7 parking monitoring. This ensures your dashcam is always recording, providing crucial evidence in case of an incident. If you own a compatible ROVE dashcam and want a seamless, easy installation, this is the kit for you. What people say. Good instructions, easy to install and works perfect for my camera to use parking mode. Has not killed my battery and camera powers on every time. This product has a small voltage meter that allows the camera to operate as a sentry video guarding your vehicle. However, if your vehicle's battery drops below a certain voltage, the camera will turn off, preventing the batter from going below the voltage necessary to start the vehicle. This is a fantastic safety feature, and really thoughtful. The fixed connection set also offers ROVE's high quality. They added a connection cable for each fuse type. They even added a device that measures voltage. I connected the fixed cable to my dashcam and it works perfectly. Number 4. AZDOME Hardwire Kit for Dashcam. This kit lets you hardwire your dashcam directly into your vehicle's fuse box, eliminating the need for the cigarette lighter socket. It's a clean and professional installation. It automatically starts recording when you start your car. Plus, if you enable parking mode, it'll continue recording even when parked. Built-in low-voltage protection safeguards your car battery. It automatically shuts off power to prevent draining the battery. Everything you need is included for a simple installation. Just connect it to your vehicle's fuse box. It comes with various fuse tap options to fit most vehicles. Check your car's fuse box to find the right one for you. Please note that it's not compatible with all Ford trucks and some other vehicles. Check the compatibility list before purchasing. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty and 24/7 online customer support. We're here to help. What we like. This kit features a 3-lead ACC design for automatic parking mode activation. It also includes low-voltage protection to safeguard your car battery. If you're looking for a reliable and safe parking monitor solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. First off, I liked how this device had the ability to connect to different fusebox configurations. Second, I like the piggybacking terminal solution, which allows me to use an existing fusebox slot without removing the functionality of that slot, or putting that through the same fuse as this device uses. That's where I think this particular solution really shines. It has a user-selectable threshold voltage, and if the battery voltage falls below the level you select, it will cease drawing power. Number 3. Dashcam Hardwire Kit. It enables your dashcam to keep monitoring even after you've parked. This ensures continuous protection for your vehicle. With the OBD interface, it seamlessly integrates with your car's system. The ACC detection automatically switches to parking mode when your engine is off. It provides a stable 5V3A power supply via a mini USB connection. This is compatible with most dash cams on the market. It's designed with a smart low-voltage protection system. It automatically cuts off power to preserve your car battery when the voltage gets too low. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, 12V, 30V input, and dash cams with mini USB interfaces. The 10.5-foot cable allows for flexible installation. This kit is designed for easy installation. Simply connect it to your car's OBD port and your dash cam's mini USB port. What we like. With its OBD interface and ACC detection, it seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's system. The 3A output ensures stable power for your dashcam. If you need a powerful and intelligent parking monitor solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. This kit is pretty much plug and play. No need to figure out fuses or anything like that. It works as expected. I have not had a drained battery, I have not had to jump my car since I installed this. Camera seems good quality and easy to install. Number 2. Dashcam Hardwire Kit. This kit provides a stable and reliable power source for your dashcam. It ensures continuous recording, even when your car is off. With this hardwire kit, your dashcam can record continuously for 24 hours. It connects directly to your car's battery for uninterrupted power. It features a built-in regulator to protect your device from overcurrent and overheating. This ensures the safety of your dashcam and your vehicle. This kit is designed for easy installation, with simple hidden wiring. It's compatible with most car models and mini USB dashcams. You'll receive everything you need, the hardwire kit, installation tool, and fuse taps. It's ready to use right out of the box. For USB-C dashcams, we offer a dedicated USB-C hardwire kit for optimal performance and compatibility. Check the product description for details. What we like. It's designed for mini USB dashcams and provides 24-hour surveillance. The easy installation process ensures a clean and tidy look. If you need a simple yet effective parking monitor solution for your mini USB dashcam, this is a great option. What people say. This kit has multiple fuse taps included, making an easy install for many fuse sizes. Found a fuse that is on-off with ignition, what I want, but this kit has a battery protection that will cut power below a certain voltage for those who want theirs on all the time. The camera comes with a wedge tool, and having the second one from this kit makes it very easy to walk the wires behind the panel pieces. This kit was super simple to install. I had it hooked up in about 10 minutes in my 2016 Honda HR-V. I had purchased an Acaso V1 dash cam that came with a power port plug and wanted the port free for my phone charger. This kit looks neat and works well. Number 1. Dashcam Hardwire Kit. It's now easier and more stable to power your dashcam. This kit uses a USB-C connection, eliminating restarts and overheating issues. Enjoy a more reliable power supply for your device. We've improved our popular hardwire kit. It includes a micro USB hardwire kit, installation tool, and 4 fuse tap cables to fit most vehicles. Everything you need for a seamless installation is included. Keep your vehicle protected around the clock. It connects directly to your car's battery for continuous power, even when the engine is off. Power is automatically cut off to protect your car battery. This kit includes a precise switching power supply to safely convert 12V 24V to 5V. Built-in safeguards protect against overcurrent and overheating, ensuring your device's safety. It's compatible with most car models and micro USB devices. The simple installation keeps your car looking neat and tidy, freeing up your cigarette lighter for other devices. What we like. This kit is perfect for micro USB dashcams, offering 24-hour surveillance and easy installation. It ensures your vehicle is protected around the clock. If you have a micro USB dashcam and value ease of use, this is the kit for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.